In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clean up constant contact. Keeping your contact list organized is very important, especially if you want accurate reporting, cleaner audience data, and a better experience when managing your email campaigns. One of the most common issues inside constant contact is having duplicate contact records. This can happen over time as contacts are imported, added manually, or synced from different sources. The good news is that constant contact gives you a built-in way to find and clean up those duplicate entries. To begin, go to the Contacts tab in your Constant Contact account. This is where all of your saved contact records are stored and managed. Once you are there, look for the Actions drop-down menu. This menu contains additional tools that help you manage your list more efficiently. Click the Actions drop-down and then select Manage Duplicates. After you choose that option, Constant Contact will automatically scan your contacts and identify email addresses that appear more than once. This helps you quickly find records that may be cluttering your account or causing confusion when you review your audience. When the duplicate results appear, take a moment to review them carefully. The platform will guide you through the available prompts so you can decide how to handle each duplicate set. In most cases, you will be given the option to merge or delete duplicate entries. If the records belong to the same person and you want to keep a single complete contact profile, choose the Merge option. This is usually the best choice when both records contain useful information and you want everything combined into one clean entry. If one of the duplicate records is unnecessary or outdated, you can choose to delete it instead. This helps reduce clutter and keeps your list easier to maintain. The goal is to make sure you only have one record per person, which improves organization and helps avoid duplicate data in your contact management process. As you work through the prompts, move carefully and confirm each choice before finishing. Taking an extra moment to review what you are merging or deleting can help prevent mistakes and keep your database accurate. Once you have completed the cleanup, your constant contact list will be more organized and easier to manage moving forward. That covers everything you need to know.